Okay, so I'm back again with another Demon Slayer figure. Of course, we got Tanjiro Kamado this time, the main characters in the Kimetsu no Yaiba anime series. And this time, we got the A version and the B version. So let's go and unbox.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Okay, so let's take him out of the box. Okay, that's cool. Nice, it's easy. Okay, not so good on that side. Very cool. Nothing, no more. Oops, oopsie. Let's close it back. Okay, campfire. Let's take Tanjiro out. Okay, let's pull it out from here. Okay, so there you go. We got the head here, the full body, katana, and the base stand. The color, I don't know if this one of those, like a, but the B is not. I mean, like a sepia version of this, because the colorway is kind of grayish, right? That I think it's supposed to be bright and shiny color. I was thinking, yeah, this is like one of those, like a sepia version or releases of this figure. So we got the box of Nezuko, which is always an expensive to find. So we got the head. The head is pretty cool. Not so, not so fancy details, but so far so good. Kind of different earrings here. But of course, as always, I don't know how they doing that eyes. Maybe they just, how they call it. Of course, it's not manually, it's a machine or like a sticker that they keep on. They just printing it, and with some cool machine, they make it, they paste it there. Yeah, so okay, so let's put the head on. Put it tight, nicely. Let's take out the katana. Okay. Okay, nothing special going on. Let's go. There you go. So this is kind of hard, but this is really rubbery. Okay, I think you can break this one. You can split it together. So just insert it here. Fine, really cool. Nice. Yeah, I guess this is kind of a different colorway version because the katana is kind of dark grayish too. But so far so good. The scarf, as always, by Banpresto is really cool, really nice. I hope they leave the character, I mean like the name of those sculpture and artists on this figure. But overall, it's really good. It's really cool. Painting wise, nice. That's, oops, it's running away. Let's take it. Okay, here you go. Put it in the stand. So far, so good. Okay, there you go, guys. Don't forget, please subscribe to my channel. I hope you like this video, and I hope you like this figure. Added it to your collection. So why not give me a thumbs up? And just comment down below. Any suggestion, any comments, highly appreciated. So please do so. Okay, once again, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next episode. Peace out. Boom.